earth has never ended, but the gates of Eden will ever be closed for those conquistadors who are only hungry for power and might. Because the real Eldorado isn't made out of diamonds and gold. It's the immortal yearning for peace, love, and understanding in the hearts of everyone. Dust and wind and heat, since 14 days in the murdering sun of the Sierra Nevada. No rain, no water, no food. We are prisoners in the melting pot of hell. Oh God, help us!